Hey guys, today we've got the Apple Magic Keyboard. This is the keyboard for the 11-inch iPad Pro. Nice feel to it. And has a strong hinge as well, which locks into place. Let's see what we get here. Just some documents. Got the iPad here. All you need to do is just bring it to place and the magnets hold it together. Has this backlight also. It's all backlit keyboards. The trackpad also feels as good as the MacBook trackpads. Good key travel too. And when you want to carry it around, all you got to do is just fold it and it becomes a nice cover for your iPad. This is what it looks like with the iPad snapped in. And if you're keeping it on the desk and using it, there is a dedicated USB Type-C port as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Do like and subscribe our content. Thank you.